So we're here with Imtiaz from K&I's Dasheen Bush. And we're here in the field.
Well, this field is located in Bhagi, Trinidad, right? As you can see, this is the workers we have here. We are cutting some local Dasheen Bush right now for the market. And after we have some export to cut.
Your lovely wife mentioned to me that the Dasheen Bush from here goes to New York, and that's what I buy when I'm in New York.
Okay, yeah, New York, even Miami also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes.
So if someone wanted to order Dasheen Bush from you, they could contact you?
Yes, they could contact me at 722-2345 or my dad, which is 369-6905.
Okay. So you mostly deal with wholesale
Yes.
distribution?
Yes,
Okay.
wholesale. I'll just look for some months,
Yeah.
Mostly young leaves.
Yeah, the young leaves are good. They cook softer.
Cook,
Yeah.
Raj, well, cut out. Cut you have about 6 bundles.
So this is the Dasheen Bush leaf. This is also called elephant ears in some places, or taro leaves. Uncle, so this is your business that you passed on to your son?
Yeah.
So this is a family business. And the sun is stinging right now. And you see how these guys working hard in the field. So the sun is stinging here. You can see how I'm sweating already. And look how much Dasheen Bush bhagi in the back. It's a large field.
They protect the skin to not to get the scratch on it.
Oh, so you see how, what's your name?
Umesh.
Umesh. So you see how Umesh is wearing this overall. He has to wear this because the stain, see how it damages the material, and then
protect the skin from getting scratches.
Okay, the skin too. And you see how he's wearing gloves too. That's why a lot of people wear gloves to clean bhagi. So you see how Imtiaz is dressed?
The sun,
Yeah.
the rain. This opportunity for you to take.
Oh, thank you so much. Is there anything specific you'd like me to make with this?
Anything you want to cook with.
Okay. So you could,
Bhagi
with
rice,
this, you could make
callaloo,
sahina,
Sahina.
Yeah.
Yeah.
dal rice and bhaji.
Yeah. Some fried fish on the side.
Yeah. So let me leave these guys to get back to work. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye. Makoya, okay.
Four.